going on, guys? Doing an El Grande. This is an El Grande, if you know the El Grande. I don't know how to fix the sunroof, but so far what I've found is the way to close the roof. And this is how you close the roof. It's working, yeah?
That's it. That's it. Okay.
And then we've got this burning smell that we're dealing with. And a bit of corrosion.
Is it the plug that's a bit corroded?
Yeah, but all the pins are okay and there's current going. Let's see what's inside. Yeah. See what the part number is. It does really smell like a burnt motor down here, don't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Alright guys, I'm here showing you about this Nissan Elgrand convertible. Talking rubbish. But anyway, this is the electric motor for the sunroof, and we could smell a bit of burning, and we had, out of curiosity, took it apart, and this is what we found. So the roof was jammed open, getting the beeping noise, and obviously if you look on the forums or Google, it tells you press the lock button 4 times and it should help you reset it. It's never going to work if that's happened. So you need to come to the back of the car, use this thing here, and close your roof, and be brave enough to take your motor down and have a look to see what's happened. Alright, that's after checking all the fuses and whatnot. Alright, so with the Elgrand, we're going to change the sunroof motor. We've just put that one back. Imagine I've got 2 sunroof problems in one day. This is a Chrysler 300C. And we had to drop the headline in. It needs a lot of water there again. This motor, which has called it a day, it's got water inside of it, and it's not working. This is the fuse for the sunroof, that blue one down there everyone talks about. So I'll be back to put these cars right, and I'll put it in the video. Today I've got a Ford Maverick. This car is super rare in the UK, if you know this car. And it's got a problem with the electric windows, not the electric windows, the electric mirrors, the cigarette lighter, and some other bits and bobs not working, like the radio as well. They had it rewired to something else. And through a Haynes manual, I found that the relay that goes right here, goes in there, is called, on the fuse diagram, it's the ACC, and basically it's just a relay that takes power from in here this one and that one. They send power to the accessories in the car, and I checked that those fuses were okay, but on the cigarette lighter fuse and as such, there was no power on those fuses, which was like that 20 amp fuse there that you see. Forget that one up there, that does nothing. The one above is for the radio. and there was no power in there. So I checked the continuity from that fuse in the engine bay, and it comes to this tan and black wire. When you unplug that fuse, the power to that pin would go straight away, so we know that the continuity was good. And looking at the wiring diagram, I saw this relay. Do you guys have the relay here?
There it is.
Thank you.
There you go.
This is the relay. You see in this card a bit of water. I'm not going to open it again, right? Is it going to open? Look at that. See, water got into it, destroyed it. So yeah, so we're going to put a new relay from eBay. Took the part number from the top of the relay, and that would have been in there. So I use a bit of wire to just bridge the contacts in there, and all the electrics still working again. You know, I do this job for money. It's not currently I'm not getting paid by YouTube, so I'm just doing this to give you guys some information. If you do subscribe, if you follow me and you subscribe, then I can start putting more time into showing you fully how to fix these cars. So yeah, like and